Hello guys, this is Crypto Voice here and welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. So let us see the market cap today. So right now we are at 304 billion US dollar market cap and the 24-hour volume is around 15 billion US dollar mark. The BTC dominance is around 44.7% and the Bitcoin is stuck around 8,000 US dollar mark. So neither the market is going up nor it is going down. So we are stuck in a sideways moment and a truly bearish moment. So something is needed to drive the price up. So what I personally think is that the lower resistance that we have is around 7,300 US dollar mark for BTC. So I personally think that whales will not buy up the BTC till we reach that limit. We can expect Bitcoin to drop further around 7,300 mark, and after that we can see some bounce back and some money coming into cryptocurrency market. This is purely manipulation going on in the market, and also there is no such news due to which the cryptocurrency is going down, so nothing to worry about at the moment. So let us see the top gainers and losers. So top gainer is this Mithril. So I really don't know what this cryptocurrency is. So I think it's a new cryptocurrency. So let us see the recently added. Yes, Mithril added 3 days ago. So let us see the price that it came at. So it came at around 0.08 US dollar mark, and right now it is 43 cents, almost 5x gain in 3 days. This seems amazing. So it came in OKEx exchange. So let us quickly check the website. So this is their website: mine Mithril, find followers, fortune and fame. I think it is related to some social media. So users can mine Mithril tokens through social mining. Each user's content and social interaction generated in the Mithril ecosystem will mine myth based on our algorithm. So this means that the people who will do the interaction socially will be rewarded Mithril tokens. So this is kind of a cool concept. So they have this app lit. So here you can share stories and be rewarded in Mithril tokens. So this seems cool. Then they have this team. So seems kind of a fun project. Then they have the partner Qtum, Sora, and I don't know what is this. I will look into it in detail. So let us go back. Let us see the Bitcoin chart for today. One day trend is around 8,000 US dollar mark. You can see the average is around 8,000. So I personally think that it will further go below 8,000 till it reaches 7,300, and I think from there it will bounce back and we will have a bull run. So it might take a couple of weeks, maybe a month or 2 months. I really don't know about it. So right now there is no such news in the cryptocurrency market. So I decided to make this presentation. Let us see the top 6 cryptocurrency mistakes that people make usually. So first of all, we have investing in shitcoins without proper research. So all the newbies out there and many people, what they do is that they see some cryptocurrencies that are going up and they invest in those cryptocurrencies and they think that it will go up. But many of the cryptocurrencies these days are scam projects, and also there are a lot of pump and dumps going on in the market right now. So you cannot figure it out just by saying something which is going up in price. So please do your due diligence before getting involved into any cryptocurrency. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to check the website, then you check the technology, then you check their community, then you check their team, check each and every member of their team, check their social network profiles such as LinkedIn and any other profile, and then check their code in the GitHub, whether there is some demo available or they have some prototype, whether they have some testnet or mainnet launched already or not, whether there are some apps or not. So do proper due diligence before investing into any cryptocurrency. Then we have at number 5, chasing pump and dump schemes. So this is very common. So many people, they join some groups that do pump and dump schemes for different cryptocurrencies. So you can get many invites in Telegram and also in WhatsApp. There are many cryptocurrency groups that are doing this, and what they do is usually they scam people, and many people, they get burned when they involve their money in such kind of pump and dump schemes. So there is no such reliability of those projects. So always keep away from such kind of pump and dump schemes. Then let us see what is at number 4. So this is a big mistake that people make right now in cryptocurrency market. They don't basically diversify their portfolio, and they just keep all their eggs in one basket, and they purchase some coin and they think that that coin will go up to the moon and they will buy Lambo from it. And this is the biggest mistake that people do. First of all, do your proper due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency, and if you have selected some cryptocurrency, then invest in that cryptocurrency to the amount that you can afford to lose, and also diversify your investment. For example, it is safe to have 6 or 7 different cryptocurrencies rather than having one. So the chances of getting burned are very less in that case. So always diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio and purchase those cryptocurrencies whom you feel confident about. So let us see the number 3 mistake that people do. So having an unclear investment strategy is also a big mistake in cryptocurrency. Whether to trade or hold, many people they buy some cryptocurrency coins and they are confused whether they do daily trading or hold them for long term. I suggest that select some of the projects which are brilliant and you think that they are the best projects for long term, and always keep those projects in your wallet for long term hold. Maybe hold them for 1 or 2 years. These are those projects which you believe that they will give you 50 to 100x gains or maybe 1000x gains in future. So some of the example of good projects are like OneChain, like Zilliqa, like Cardano. So these are all very good projects. So you can invest in such kind of projects for long term. Then you should also have a short term strategy. For example, if a cryptocurrency is good but you want to make some short term gain, then you should hold those cryptocurrencies for 1 or 2 months, and after 5 to 10x gains sell them. So this is another good way. Then in order to swing trade a cryptocurrency or in order to do daily trading, then choose a cryptocurrency that you know is not a scam project first of all, and that cryptocurrency should have a 2 weeks or 3 weeks trend in which it fluctuates between some specific value. For example, from $5 mark till 5.5 US dollar mark at the peak. So what you can do is that you can sell at the highest and buy at the lowest. So keep on doing that trading daily and you will get some profits. So you should be absolutely aware about your strategy, that what you are doing, and never confuse yourself. If you want to hold one cryptocurrency for the long term, then keep it for the long term. Don't panic and don't panic sell. So let us see the number second mistake. So trading in cryptocurrencies without stop losses and sell orders. So this is also a very big mistake. So let me give you an example. For example, if I buy a coin for $3 price mark, and the coin is going up at that moment, so it might go up to 3.2 or 3.3 US dollar mark. So what I will do is that I will put a stop loss at around 3.15 US dollar mark, which will give me profit because I purchase it at 3 US dollar mark. So for example, if you do that, then the next day if the price falls, then at 3.15 your order will be sold and you will not get burned in that case. Even you will get some profit out of it. So this is how stop losses they work. So if you are not familiar with stop losses, then don't worry, I will teach you at the end of this video. Then let us see the number 1 mistake that people do is panic selling on dips and rises of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. So this is normal human nature. For example, if I see some cryptocurrency which is going up and up and up, and throughout the day it is going up, so my general feeling will be that it will go up to the moon and I will buy a Lambo out of it, maybe Ferrari or anything. What will happen is that it will go up to a certain point and then it will drop. So people, what they do is that they like the things that are going up. This is normal human nature. So they buy it at their peak or they buy it at their highest rate. Similarly, if there is some good cryptocurrency project and people are selling it for 1 to 2 weeks, so the confidence in the market it drops, and what people think about that cryptocurrency is that it will never rise again or it will continue to drop and drop. So what people do at that time is that they sell while the cryptocurrency is going down. So all these mistakes are caused by fear. So in cryptocurrency, there is no place of fear. If you attach emotions and fear in cryptocurrency, so I am afraid that this game is not for you. We can see from these examples that the things are totally opposite. The best time to buy is when a cryptocurrency is going down, and the best time to sell is on profits when the cryptocurrency is going up. Make sure you follow these steps correctly. These steps will minimize your losses in cryptocurrencies in the future. So let us now learn how to insert stop loss while trading. So here we have an example of Zilliqa. Right now it is trading at around 611 satoshis. So yesterday when I made a video, at that time it was around 580 satoshis. So their testnet is basically due in 2 to 3 days. So expect it to go further up in a couple of days. You can see that Zilliqa is holding up strong. So let's come to the point. Let us see the stop limit first. So you can see stop, limit and amount here. So stop means the Satoshi value at which you want to trigger your condition. For example, I want to stop this at 600. So here it will be 600. This means that if the Zilliqa will go at 600 Satoshi value, then my trigger point will be established and I can put a sell order of 610. So this means that when the price will drop and it will go at 600, only then my condition will be triggered, and after that if it goes up, then at 610 satoshis my order will be sold. So in this way I will prevent my losses. So this is how stop limit works. So you can select 100% of your coins or 75% of your coins or 50% of your coins depending on you. So especially when you are doing swing trading, always do stop limit. So this is how it works. Similarly, the buy stop limit works with the same logic. For example, if I put some price over here like 500, so I will put at 498 Satoshi. So this means that if the Zilliqa price will drop at 500 Satoshis, then an order to buy will be set up at 498 Satoshi value. So when it will drop at 500 Satoshi, then obviously it will drop 2 Satoshis more. So at 498, I will be able to purchase Zilliqa. So this is how you do stop limit in Binance, and also the same feature applies in Bittrex. So this is it guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Till next time, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to Crypto Voice channel, be the part of Crypto Voice family. Bye bye guys.